Hi guys, it's hump day! Happy Wednesday. So first off, it's going to be a super easy day. We're going to be starting by taking notes. So go ahead, take out your figurative language notes. We have taken notes over simile and metaphor, and today we're going to be adding personification. Okay, so personification is giving human characteristics or traits to objects, such as talking, feeling, or moving. So personification means that you are giving human traits like talking, feeling, sleeping, moving, waving, laughing to objects. So things that, you know, cannot move, like a pencil, a chair, a desk, okay? Personification, giving human characteristics to objects. Our example is the leaves waved in the wind. Well, the leaves are the object and they're waving. Well, we know leaves can't wave because they don't have hands. So therefore, the leaves are being personified, and the human trait that is being given to them is that they have the ability to wave. Okay? So that is it for your notes. And today it's going to be a very super easy day. You'll go to your Google Classroom and you will click on Number the Stars, and you have two things. You have literally one thing to do today. You are just reading chapter 5. So you can either read chapter 5 on your own or keep acting it out with your family, however you're choosing to do it, or you can enjoy me reading chapter 5 to you. So happy reading, and I hope you have a great day.